With the exception of beds and tables, most furniture is simply a plywood box that's modified with drawers or doors to make just about anything.
Hi, my name is Anna White. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to design your own furniture and build it.
I have the perfect project to use as an example in this video. My desk desperately needed some extra storage, so I want to build some custom size hutches to go on top of the desk. To design these hutches, I'm going to use my free design tool. It's an in-browser app, so you don't need to download anything, and you just put in the exterior dimensions, adjust the shelves. You can even visualize paint colors and trim on it. And then with one click, download the plans that include a cut list, and you can use this to assemble your project. I recommend using 3/4 inch thick plywood that's ripped into the same depth that's specified in the plans, and then simply cross cut down into the size pieces that you'll need. I used a miter saw with a stop block for consistent repeatable cuts. For the main structure joints, I do recommend pocket holes on a 3/4 inch setting. This is a really strong, precise joint, and I hide the pocket holes to the back or the top where they can't be seen. Now I'm just going to assemble the main carcass, which is the sides attached to the top and then a 1x4 base support at the bottom. For a fastener, I used 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. I'm going to add a face frame to the main carcass in later steps, but the shelves, I don't want to add a face frame to them. So what I'm going to do is add edge banding. First, I took about 1/4 inch off all those shelves to make up for the thickness of the edge banding. And then I have this jig that I made up, just iron the edge banding on, trim the end, and then I have this edge banding tool that I bought off Amazon, which trims the two edges. I also sand pretty good with 120 grit sandpaper, just so there's no edges out that could cause a snag. The shelves aren't structural. I could actually install them with shelf pins, but I'm going to nail them in place with the brad nailer. The reason I'm not using pocket holes is because you would see the pocket holes when you look up under the shelf. I used 1 1/4 inch fasteners and glue. For the back, I cut a piece of 1/4 inch plywood and then applied glue to the back edges and nailed the back on with 3/4 inch brad nails. One trick is to use the speed square to help guide where you place your nails. So now I'm going to add a 1x2 face frame to the outside edges. I just measured and cut 1x2s for the uprights and then measured and cut the final 1x2 that goes at the top. I do like a face frame. I think it really gives a project a higher end finished look, and it also adds a lot of structure and strength to the project. And here's a time lapse of building the second tower. Once everything was built, I filled nail holes with wood filler, sanded everything with medium grit sandpaper, and then rolled and brushed on white paint. This project was pretty simple, but what a difference it made. You can use my free design app right in your browser without downloading anything. I'll leave a link in the description so you can start designing your own furniture. And if you're looking for ideas and inspiration, I've got lots of plans that use this tool.
This app is a game changer. I'm so happy that I'm able to share it. Take a second and check it out and let me know what you think and how we can improve it. Thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you in our next video.